Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to restart means guys reboot your Samsung phone. Friends, you want to reboot and guys you want to restart your Samsung phone. So guys, how can you restart and guys how can you reboot? In this video I will show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're new in my channel, so friends, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So first of all guys, what will you have to do guys, in this video I will show you friends how can you reboot. So as you can see guys, your volume button, so guys your guys click on guys your volume down button and guys power up button guys both one time. Then guys you can see guys restart and power off and emergency mode. So you want to restart means reboot, so we will click on guys this reboot. So guys this tap here to guys reboot your phone, so guys your phone will be reboot. So we will have to wait for some seconds. So guys I am going to pause video. So now friends, you can see guys your phone had restarted means guys reboot, and guys we will do pattern to unlock our phone, but we will have to wait till starting Android. So guys now you can use your phone. Your phone has restarted means reboot. So I hope friends you have understood how to restart Samsung phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Guys now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.